Hey, it's Sherry from Southside Harley-Davidson. We're in the middle of June and it's time for our Customer Appreciation Day. It's coming up this Saturday, June 18th. We'll have live music, giveaways, food trucks, and more. So get the details below. Father's Day is also this Sunday, June 19th. If you haven't found the perfect gift for Dad yet, get him something Harley-Davidson and you can't go wrong. Rolling Sturgis is back again for 2022. Be sure to stop by and register for your chance to win a new 2022 Road Glide Special and other great prizes. See the details in the link below. Come out to Southside Harley on Sunday, June 26th for the start of Corkis Ride, benefiting Chihuahua Rescue, Indiana. Get the details in the link below. We're continuing to collect entries for our 75th anniversary bike giveaway. Be sure to get in here and enter for your chance to win the 2022 custom painted Softail Standard that we'll be giving away at our celebration on September 17th this year. Oh, and while I've got you, our 75th anniversary gear is arriving daily. Be sure to get in and get yours while the selection is at its best. Check this out. We finally have ladies' 75th anniversary shirts with the full logo on the back. We never had that before, as well as kids. Check that out. How cute are these? That's all I got for now. Stay tuned, and while you're out riding, be sure to stop by and see us because that's what family does.